chapter 5, and that is rotational and circular motions. और इसमें हम सबसे पहले हम इसके मल्टीपल चॉइस। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कहता है द एंगुलर स्पीड इन रेडियंस पर आवर फॉर डेली रोटेशन ऑफ आवर अर्थ। अर्थ कंप्लीट इट्स रोटेशंस इन 24 आवर्स। तो ये इसका अर्थ का क्या है, टाइम पीरियड व्हेन दैट स्पिन अबाउट इट्स ओन एक्सिस। तो इसका सिंस t is 24 hour and theta 1 revolution 2 pi radians, therefore speed theta by this is omega theta by t 2 pi by t is 2 pi by 24, this is pi by 12 radians per hour. So option D is correct option, pi by 12. This is the answer to that questions. Now question number 2 linear acceleration A is equal to r alpha. A is equal to r alpha when theta is 0, 180, 360 or 90. Since A is equal to alpha cross r, so this is r alpha sine theta. If theta is 90, sine 90 is equal to 1, then A is equal to r alpha. Therefore option D is correct option. Option D, which is 90 degree, is the correct option for second questions. Next question number 3. What is the moment of inertia of the sphere? Moment of inertia of the sphere is 2 by 5 mr square. So the correct option is C, 2 by 5 mr square. This is the answer to this question. Question number 4. Question number 4. A particle is acted upon by the force of the constant magnitude which is always perpendicular to the velocity of the particle. The motion of the particle takes place in a horizontal plane. It follows linear momentum, velocity constant. It moves in a circular path, or particle moves in a straight line. The particle moves in a circular path. So correct option is C. Question number 5. A body moving in a circular path with constant speed has constant acceleration, constant retardation, variable acceleration, variable speed and constant velocity. A body moving in a circular path with constant speed, तो उसका acceleration सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक होगा, and that is centripetal acceleration, और वो constant acceleration है. So correct option is A. That is, body moves in a circle with constant speed, possesses centripetal acceleration which is constant, neither its magnitude nor direction changes. Question number 6. Astronauts appears weightless in space because there is no gravity in space. There is no floor pushing upward on the satellite is freely falling, and there is no air in space. Astronauts appear weightless in space because, this is all because के जो सैटेलाइट रिवॉल्व करता है तो that works like a freely falling body. Satellites works like freely falling body. That's why its apparent weight will be 0. So option, correct option C. Question number 7 में which one is constant for the satellite in orbit? Which one is constant for a satellite velocity, kinetic energy, angular momentum or potential energy. Correct option is C, angular momentum. Question number है 8. If the earth suddenly stops rotating, value of G at equator would decrease, remain unchanged, increase. If earth suddenly stops, then the centripetal force acting on the body also becomes 0. तो अर्थ पे भी जो G की वैल्यू है, इसका मतलब है कि G की वैल्यू जो है वो बढ़ जाती है। तो इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी है, वैल्यू ऑफ G इंक्रीजेस। ये है क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देखते हैं इसका। If the solid sphere and solid cylinder of the same mass and density rotate about their own axis, the moment of inertia will be greater for solid spheres, solid cylinder. The one that has the greater mass arrived first, and the one that has largest radius arrived first. Solid cylinder, for sphere moment of inertia है 2/5 mr square. This is 0.4 mr square. And for solid cylinder, its moment of inertia is 1/2 mr square. This is 0.5 mr square. That is moment of inertia of solid cylinder. Moment of inertia of solid cylinder is greater than the moment of inertia of solid sphere. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी। इसकी करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है वो बी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर है 10. और द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स exerted on the astronaut on the Earth's surface is 650 Newton. When she is in international space stations, the gravitational force on her is larger, exactly same, smaller, nearly but exactly zero, not exactly zero, exactly zero. The gravitational force exerted on the astronaut on Earth's surface तो है 650 Newton, ठीक है। When it is in the international space stations, since space station is a freely falling body, that is A is equal to G होगा। So apparent weight of the astronaut will be 0. So correct option हो गई E, exact 0. और question 11, the last one. A solid cylinder of mass m and radius r roll down and inclined without slipping. Its moment of inertia about n axis through its center of the mass is 1/2 mr square. At any instant while in motions, its rotational kinetic energy about its center of the mass is what fraction of its total kinetic energy? Question 11 है, on an inclined plane, loss of potential, gain in rotational and translational kinetic energy, where translational kinetic energy half mv square है and rotational kinetic energy half I ओमेगा स्क्वायर। जबकि सॉलिड सिलेंडर का I जो है हाफ mv स्क्वायर है, तो ये बन जाएगा 1/4 mr square omega square. This is equal to 1/4 mv square. So the 1/4 mv square है रोटेशनल, और जब हम इसका टोटल करें, टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी, दिस इज हाफ mv square प्लस 1/4 mv square. दिस इज 3/4 mv square. ये टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी, और रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी है 1/4 mv square. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू, अगर हम इसको चेंज करना चाहें 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, डिवाइड भी कर दें 1/4mv²। दिस इज इक्वल टू 1/3 ब्रैकेट में 3/4mv²। दिस इज 1/3 टोटल काइनेटिक रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द सिलेंडर। टोटल का 1/3 होगा और 1/3 लिखे C। सो ऑप्शन C इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन कि जो सॉलिड सिलेंडर्स की एनर्जी होगी वो टोटल का 1/3 होगी।